Hi, I'm Eric with Morris 4x4 Center. Over the past few months, COVID-19 has impacted all of us in almost every aspect of our society. Many of us in the Jeep community have lost jobs, friends, or even family members. Yet, you continue to inspire us with the countless stories we hear of courage, strength, and resilience. From organizing spirit-lifting Jeep parades to volunteer trail upkeep, Jeepers delivering masks and protective gear to hospitals, to those that have faced extraordinary personal hardships during this pandemic with unwavering determination and optimism. That's why we at Morris 4x4 Center have decided to pay it forward and do something extra special for deserving Jeepers. So ask yourself a question. Is there a Jeeper in your life that has shown exceptional compassion, performed a remarkable act of kindness, or has simply fallen on hard times? Go to morris4x4center.com/payitforward and tell us their story. We'll choose one story each week. If selected, you and your nominee will receive a $1,000 Morris 4x4 gift card, plus an additional $250 to use for whatever you'd like. Gas, groceries, or just plain old giving back. Help us spread the word to your Jeep Club and on social media, and you might be surprised with free Morris 4x4 gift cards and gear. For all of us in the Morris 4x4 family, we just want to say thank you.